Okay, today I'm going to explain how to use word arts. Okay, please go to Insert tab and then click word arts or one of the shapes. You can choose as you like. For me, I will choose this style, and then so you can write using the word is words arts like this. Using word art, and then you can select like this, or you can select this borderline by clicking here, and then you can choose one of the text at first or text style. So like this, as you like, you can choose. Okay, so if you choose, you can choose as you like, you can choose. And also this means you can create, so this means your graph. Okay, as you like, you can do. And also you can adjust your effects. Okay, people effects just like this. Okay, and also you can rotate your object. This is the word arts objects. You can rotate as you like. Okay, and also you can rotate like this. Okay, flip vertical, place just like your letter inside the mirror like this. Flip horizontal. Okay, you can rotate right, and then you can flip horizontal. Okay, that means okay, flip horizontal. So flip vertical, horizontal, you can do as you like. Okay, this is using word art. Okay, now I would like to show inserting a picture. Okay, so please insert picture. So I would like to create a new blanks, and then please go to insert picture. So from this device, so I'll choose this device. Okay, desktop. So and then okay, this means my EMK pictures like this. Okay, I can get like this, and then I can add this. So I want to get only this part, so I can craft. So this is the picture format. If you click here, you can get this picture format. If you click outside, so you cannot get the pictures format depth. So you can adjust by clicking this diagonal. Okay, then you can adjust as you like, and also you can align the middle, so you can align center like this, so easily to place the location. And then you can craft, so it crafts, and then so if you want to craft like this, you can craft. So you can craft this black okay, this black bar, you can okay, this black bar you can crack like this. And also you can crack with the aspect ratio 1:1, so that means square. And also you can do manually. Okay, like this you can craft, and then you can place you may get like this. Okay, if you want to place middle, so and also you can click center, so this is the center, you can align. So until now you may understand how to insert the picture, and also how to align, how to place. So you can align, and also you can set your picture frame. Okay, so you can set your frames like this. Okay, like this. This is so for the frames in the picture format depth. Okay, so and then this is directly inserts the picture, and also you can craft different shapes crop two shapes. For example, I want to create so like this. So this is crop. So and also I would like to choose one of the okay aspect ratio. That's mean 1:1 mean just like the circle. Okay, you can crush like the circles. So and also you can move. Okay, so this method is insert picture. So and then crop, and then crop to shapes, as also the aspect ratio you can edit. Okay, this method. Okay, I will show you another methods. So that means the first method is inserting the picture and crop with the shapes. So okay, the second method I'm going to explain the second method. This method is drawing shapes and filling with the picture. Okay, so I would like to draw one of the circles like this, and then if you draw the shapes, so you can get the shape formats. And then I would like to edit the shape field, and then you can choose picture. Okay, so work offline from this device. Okay, I will click this, and then I can get like this. So okay, this is insert picture method. This method is drawing shapes and fill with picture. And also you can use this okay shape outline, so like this. Okay, that means you can insert a picture two methods. Okay, so this is insert picture and crafts. Okay, this method is drawing a shape and filling with a picture. Okay, so I hope you may understand how to insert a picture and how to draw a shapes and fill with a picture. So from these two methods, so you can use as you like according to your condition. Thanks for watching.